Hello. This video shows how to create a voxel object using the camera with an iOS app, Voxel Drafter. To use this feature, you need an iOS device with a LiDAR sensor, such as the iPhone 12 Pro. The following is an approximate procedure for creation. The first step is to specify the space to get the data. Then, get the detailed data for that space. Finally, adjust the size and other parameters. Now let's actually create a voxel object. Tap the Start Camera button. After launching the camera, the app starts to examine the approximate shape of the surrounding area. The recognized area will be displayed as a mesh like this. If it doesn't show up, try moving the camera a little. In the center of the screen, you can see a cuboid. This is the space where the data will be obtained. The location and size of the cuboid will be decided in the future. You can move the cuboid back and forth by swiping up and down on the screen. Since I will be acquiring data from this stuffed animal, I will place a cuboid near it. Once you have determined the approximate position, tap the button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you specify the space where you want to get detailed data. Specify one of the 6 planes and swipe to move it. Tap this button to rotate the space. When you are done, tap the button in the upper right corner of the screen. The app will then start recording detailed data in the space, so you can move the camera or move yourself. When you get it approximately, tap the button in the upper right corner of the screen to go next. The app shows a voxel object. Here you can adjust various values. First, try changing the size. The size is the size of a single voxel. If you decrease the value, the shape becomes more detailed and the overall size becomes larger. On the other hand, if you increase this value, the shape will become cluttered and the number of voxels will become smaller. This threshold refers to the minimum number of points required in each voxel. In other words, it is a function to ignore points that are not very reliable. When you actually increase the value, the useless voxels disappear as shown here. Lastly, the colors. Right now the number on the right is 10, so 10 colors are displayed. For example, if you decrease this number, the color will change like this. Since this is any, the color can be any color by calculation. The other one, MC, which stands for Minecraft, will represent the calculated color with the closest color block in the Minecraft. It may not be as pretty as any, but if you are planning to create the voxel object in Minecraft, it is better to use this one. After finishing the adjustment, tap the upper right button. If you are satisfied with the results, tap the Go button to complete the process. This completes the data creation process, but you can change the final size and color adjustments by selecting Edit Mode from the upper right button. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.